Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use the pictogram chart feature in Canva. This is a great way to represent data visually using icons, making designs more engaging and easy to understand. Now let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, all we need to do is click on the Elements section on the left part of the dashboard. Once we're here, we just need to type Chart in the search bar. Under this section, we look for the pictogram. Here, you can see it in the bottom part of the results. Here, we can customize it. For example, if we want a female icon for female babies, or hands, it depends on your preferences. You can also customize how many items the chart will fill, whether it's 1 out of 3, up to 5. Then, the spacing can be adjusted as well. Once you're done, just click Save and then place your pictogram wherever you want in your design. And that's how we use the pictogram chart feature in Canva. With just a few simple steps, we can turn data into eye-catching visuals.